As a business owner, you may have tried many forms of advertising and tactics, but your sales are simply not growing? The reason behind this is your ads are not catching the customer's attention. At Sofix Graphics team on Fiverr, we provide a solution to this problem through our 2D animated explainer videos. Our videos are effective marketing tools because we use animated cartoons to explain your message. This ability to quickly tell your message to your potential customers will cause many of them to watch your video. Tell your story in an entirely new engaging way, boost your brand awareness, and bring more viewers to explain your idea with an amazing professional video. Inspire your audience with broadcast quality animated videos using our service. Sofix Graphics is a Washington, D.C. based team that specializes in graphic design and video production with more than 10 years of experience. Creating creative videos that are unique and visually appealing to symbolize your business is our specialty.